UAD Clickforms information, part 2 continued.
The Clickforms. You need to read the manual and attend countless training classes just to learn new UAD rules. Do you really need to remember what C1, C2, and C3 are, or what Q1 and Q2s are? With Clickforms, there's no need to memorize. Clickforms intelligence knows what to do and will do it for you. No need to learn anything, not even any UAD abbreviations. Your software should take care of these UAD rules. Don't let any software vendor tell you differently. Software is here to support you, not to make your life harder or more complicated. Clickforms has embedded guidance built inside the forms so that you don't need to open any manuals or reference any training. Here's an example that may easily happen to an appraiser. Have you ever typed letters into the DOM field? For example, unknown or NA rather than a date. To be UAD compliant, appraisers may not enter letters into the numbers field. Clickforms will not let you make such mistakes. You cannot enter any letters into number field. If you want DOM to be unknown, just click a box. One easy step to comply. No chance for error or revisions or increased turn times. Is your software smart enough to automatically correct your error, or will it simply tell you you've made a mistake? Ask you to read manuals so you can attempt to do it right over and over again. What if you enter 1.5 baths instead of the required 1.1 bath for a bathroom and another half bathroom? With Clickforms, you don't need to worry, as the software provides an intuitive interface that allows the appraiser to select the appropriate bathrooms and then puts these into the correct UAD format for the appraiser. Bradford Technologies has redesigned the 1004 for UAD. The Bradford Technologies UAD Power User module will let you enter data as you are used to and will transfer data into UAD requirements as the GSE has defined them. The Clickforms UAD Power User interface is a redesigned 1004 appraisal report that dramatically improves an appraiser's productivity in meeting the stringent UAD requirements. Bradford Technologies took a completely different approach to UAD than the competition. The company could have elected to simply update the forms, but didn't. Bradford Technologies understood how difficult UAD would be to its appraisers. A disruption in business would not be acceptable. The redesigned URAR includes every new UAD data point as well as the existing URAR data fields. By redesigning the 1004, the clarity is restored to the appraiser's report while still meeting the new data requirements of the GSEs. This provides the GSEs with the data they need, while the appraisers, lenders, and borrowers get a clear, concise appraisal report that is completely readable and understandable. Let's summarize the key points from our tutorial. Software needs to be UAD compliant, not you. You don't need to pass a test or take extensive trainings. Ask your software provider to show you what they have done to take the burden of learning UAD off your hand and into your software. If you want a Clickforms UAD-enabled appraiser, you should be concerned about the amount of time that will be added to your appraisals, which may indirectly lower your income per valuation. For maximum productivity, your software must be smart enough to recognize that an old report is out of compliancy automatically, guiding you through a conversion to compliancy right in the software. Clickforms works for you and with you, taking ownership of the conversion of legacy reports. Is your software intelligent enough to support you in your work rather than create more work for you? The UAD requirements are very challenging, but no need to spend more time to learn all the intricacies of the requirements. When you file your taxes each year, do you have to know the tax codes, or do you expect your tax software to do it for you? Clickforms' intuitive interface and intelligence functions similar to popular tax software, as it takes your input and places it in the correct format in the correct location per government regulations. At the end of the day, it's all about keeping you appraising hassle-free, fast and simple, productive, and efficient. Bradford Technologies is offering an unconditional money-back guarantee for 90 days to any appraiser who hasn't used or tried Clickforms. No fine print, no asterisks, no questions asked. Call 1-800-622-8727 to get your quote and more information on how Clickforms can make your appraisal reports UAD compliant. Or call us to attend a free UAD webinar and see for yourself.